In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix auto volume up and down in Poco C75. First method to fix this problem is go in settings, scroll down, go in additional settings, go in accessibility, tap on hearing. Now enable the mono audio. I hope your issue is fixed. If it is not fixed, then follow the second method. Try removing your back cover. Maybe it will causing the issue. I hope your issue is fixed. If it is not fixed, then follow the third method. Press the upper volume button 7 times like this. Now I hope your issue is fixed. So by following this method, you can fix auto volume up and down in Poco C75. I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel.